How to fix portrait mode not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix portrait mode not working on your iPhone after the iOS update. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if your portrait mode isn't working on your iPhone, there could be several factors at play here. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is check for your recent software update. So head over to your settings, go to general, and on general head over to software update. Now check if your software update is fully done and there is no better software available. If there isn't software available, simply update the software and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Also make sure that your iPhone model is compatible, so it has portrait mode. So yeah, you can simply head over to Apple's website and check for the list of compatible devices. After you do that, what you can do is you can head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, you can go back to your camera settings. Now here you can check for any settings which might be off. You can check for any portrait related settings. As you can see, I don't have any settings such as that, but for you there can be some settings that might be related to portrait mode. So you can check that out and you can check if there is any different settings that enabled or disabled which is affecting your portrait mode. So after that, what you can do is you can head over to your photo and then you can simply check for your photo if your camera is working or not. So you can check if your camera is working or not. Simply open up your photos app. You can head over to photos, you can go to portrait mode, you can check your zoom and stuff. And after you do that, after you're done with all that, head over to your settings again, go to general, scroll down. There you'll find transfer reset iPhone, tap on it, and then tap on reset. After you do that, reset all of your settings. After you reset all of your settings, you can then restart your iPhone, and after you restart your iPhone, your problem should get fixed. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.